Solve the equation sine 30 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. Okay, so we've got to solve sine 30 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now this suggests to you to use the compound formula. So the compound formula is sine theta minus phi is equal to sine theta cos phi minus cos theta sine phi, with theta being equivalent to 30 and then phi being equivalent to theta. So rewriting that, we get sine 30 cos theta minus cos 30 sine theta is equal to cos theta. Now sine 30 is a half, and so this becomes a half cos theta, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so that becomes root 3 by 2 sine theta is equal to cos theta. Right, we need to collect everything with cos theta on one side and sine theta on the other. So if we make root 3 over sine theta positive, then this will have come over here. So we're going to get a half cos theta minus cos theta. Common back to here of cos theta, so we've got root 3 sine theta is equal to a half minus 1 cos theta. Now if we've got a sine theta is equal to cos theta, then we need to be using tan. So we need to be using sine theta over cos theta. It's going to be 1 minus 2 over 2. We get that by doing 2, putting this all over a common denominator, divided by root 3 over 2. The 2's will now cancel out. And then sine theta over cos theta is equivalent to sine theta, is equal to tan theta. So this becomes tan theta, and that is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 over root 3. So we now have to solve tan theta is equal to minus 1 over root 3. If we do tan to the minus 1 of 1 over root 3, we should know that that's 30 degrees. And then if we do our South Asian tennis club, we want to know where this is negative, because we've got minus 1 over root 3. Where is it negative? It's negative in the second and the fourth quadrants, sine and cos. So we draw our angle, making our angle with the x-axis in that quadrant, so it's 30 degrees, and making our angle in this quadrant with the x-axis 30 degrees. So theta will be 180 minus 30, that's this angle here, so it will be 180 minus 30, or 360 minus 30, therefore theta will be 150 degrees, or 330 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation using the compound formulae for trigonometry. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.